So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today it's 6th of December and time is 6:21 IST. We'll be analyzing gold and other pairs for New York. So let's switch to monthly time frame. If you can see in monthly time frame, market was consolidating in this range which we were discussing earlier. This was the range. Okay, we were expecting the breakout of this range, and market has given breakout of this range but wasn't able to sustain. People were quite bullish about it, but market got rejected from above. If you see, market was forming a lower low. If you can see in this, yeah, and market has given breakout of this trend line, went above, but still it's down. So what we can expect, market has given a complete bull move. Market may come to retrace. First of all, we'll expect a retracement. We'll not just directly expect a downfall, we'll expect a retracement. Market has already retraced 38% on top. That was 2017 level. The next level we can expect, if market comes below this, we can expect market can retrace till 1978, which is 50% retracement. Now we'll switch to weekly time frame and we'll see the structure of weekly time frame. Market was completely bullish. Market was moving like a healthy market. If you can see here, market went up, came down, retraced exactly 38% till here, and here was 38% EMA of weekly time frame, from where market has taken the support. Now also market has given a bull move. We can expect market is just doing a retracement. If we use a fib retracement till from here, you'll see that market has already retraced 50% and it has touched 61 retracement of weekly time frame as well. So what is the next level? Next level is 1976, which is 50% retracement of monthly time frame. If market breaks this level, then we can expect that market can go bearish. But till then, we'll just expect that market is just retracing from for higher time frame. So we for us, just remember 2013 is an important level. Like it will definitely act as a support. Let's go in smaller time frame. Market has shown a breakout of trend line, went up, considering it's a fake breakout. Now what can be the scenario? Market has taken liquidity from the top. Market has manipulated a lot of people. A lot of people were biased for buying, but now market has given another breakdown of that trend line. It hasn't acted this trend line as a support. It has simply given a good breakdown of it. So market is above daily EMA, which is at 2005. This is the level. So if market falls, market may come till 2005 and it can touch daily EMA completely. If we check in 4 hour, market is falling like a healthy market. What market usually do? Fall, retrace, another fall, retrace. So what's happening here? Fall, retrace, fall, retrace. Now maybe a fall, another fall, because market is still below the EMA. I'm using 21 and 55 EMA currently, and market is below both of them. So maybe we can expect market can fall. Or if market needs to go bull, what can be the scenarios? This is the level which market is not able to break. 2020, if we talk about today, market is not able to break this level. So we can consider this an important level for shorting. If we want to short, we need to wait at least till this level. And for buy, maybe this one. This is the important level. 2028. And if we check in 1 hour time frame. Now we'll get the exact setup. Okay, so what was the level in 4 hour? This is the unwanted candle. What unwanted candle usually does, it act as a support or resistance. Like there was a clear fall, but in between a candle has been created, that is unwanted candle. इसकी we were not in a need of this candle, but this was there. So this will definitely act as support or resistance whenever market comes here. So this is the important level for us. Now if we go in 1 hour time frame, this is exactly a support area, a resistance area. If we see previously, market has shown. Now what are the expected levels exactly? So if market gives, as you know that 4 hour candle closing is at 7:30. So what can be the scenarios if market closes below this level? Market went up but got rejected from here and closes below this. We'll say that if market was this much bullish, then market could have broke this level. And if market is not able to break this level, that means there's a pressure of sellers. Then we'll switch to smaller time frames like 30-minute or 15-minute, and we'll see a reversal structure or reversal candle over here. If I find a dodgy candle in 15-minute time frame or any reversal structure in 5-minute time frame, then we can expect a further fall till 2021, from 2029 to 2021. If this is not the scenario, market gives a clear breakout or impulsive breakout of this area. If it gives the impulsive breakout of this area, we can simply buy it here, like in at the price of 2030, and keep our stop loss below this, just like 15 pip stop loss, and we can expect a TP till 34. That would be a small TP, like if you want to scan. Other than this, if market falls, then we can get a good catch. So if market goes above this, then another we have a clear range above this. If you see, this is the last hurdle over here. If market breaks this, and then we have a clear range above, market can travel freely. And below this, we are still, if market comes till 2020, then after that the next level is 2014. So let's see what structure we get after 7:30. According to that, we'll plan our trade. And if we talk about US 30, let's analyze US 30 as well. Let me clear my old levels. Yeah. So let's switch to monthly time frame. Market is completely bullish in monthly. If you can see, market is showing a complete bull move. A single candle has engulfed all the fall which we were seeing since 3 months. So a single candle has engulfed this. So I don't think we can plan for a positional sell over here, because market is already at the top. It's already at the top, and we usually plan a sell from top. But after seeing this candle, how we can plan that market is completely bullish? Market can even break all its level. So don't expect a fall from here, like market will show a clear fall. Maybe market may come to retrace. If you see in weekly time frame, market has shown a bull move, complete bull move. If you use a fib retracement till from here, maybe market can retrace 38%, that is 3475. This is the level. If market falls and come to this level in future, not today, maybe in future, and market forms a reversal structure over here, this is the EMA. Weekly EMA is also at bottom. Maybe when in 2 or 3 days, whenever the market will start falling, maybe EMA comes at to the same level. If you find any reversal structure over here, we have a good buying opportunity from here. Okay, if we see in daily time frame, still market is not able to break this level. Market is trying to break this level, but since 3-4 days market is not able to break this level, so this is the important resistance. And in 4 hour, if you see, market is still consolidating over here only. Market needs liquidity from top to fall. That won't be a fall, that will be just a retracement of weekly time frame. But to give the retracement, market needs liquidity. Market will manipulate people that I am going up, but suddenly it will come down and it will show a further fall till here. If we can catch a small amount of till here easily. In 1 hour time frame also, you'll see this is the consolidation part. Okay, so what can be the scenario for falling? If market breaks this 1 hour EMA, if we get an impulsive breakout maybe after liquidity or something, then we can expect our target till here and then further till here. So we need to check that market, how market will fall. If market goes up till here and it isn't able to break this level, market went up and gives closing below this, then we have a clear short opportunity from top only, and then we can expect our TP till here. That's already more than 100 pips. So this could be the scenario of US 30. Let's see how's the candle closing and then we can plan our trade. Thank you for watching. Do like my channel, do like this video.